Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and effective way to place two tables side by side in Microsoft Word, ensuring they are perfectly aligned and include individual captions for each. First, we'll create a container to hold our two tables. Go to the Insert tab, click on Table, and select a 2x1 grid. This creates a single row with two columns that will act as our layout guide. To make this container invisible, right-click inside it, go to Table Properties, click Borders and Shading, and set the border to None. Now we have a clean side-by-side layout without visible lines. Next, click inside the first cell of your invisible table. Go back to the Insert menu and insert the actual table you want to use, for example, a 3x3 grid. Repeat this process for the second cell. You'll see that they are now perfectly positioned side by side. Now, for the captions. Right-click on your first internal table and select Insert Caption. Label it Table 1 and hit OK. Do the same for the second table. Because they are inside our invisible container, the captions will stay perfectly aligned with their respective tables. And that's it, a professional side-by-side table layout in MS Word. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.